Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Reading Article. So before starting today's topic, subscribe my channel and like the video. My today's topic is selfie culture is becoming out of control now. So let's start. Over the past couple of years, clicking and posting selfies has become a popular trend. It has become a symbol of self expression. The popularity of selfies is a reflection of anxiety in human nature to see oneself in a better light. Earlier, people took photos of others and considered themselves useless as the picture tells nothing about the photographer. But now, with the introduction of font camera in smartphones with high megapixels provokes the person to take selfie as a proclamation of his or her own importance. Selfies demonstrate the invasion of technology into private space. Many researchers believe that selfies allow the people to express themselves in a way that was never seen before. People who are at least expressive and have shy nature can spread their wings through selfies by uploading it on internet and become socially virtually. This leads to lack of personality and smartness in them. The most drastic effect of selfies is that it is spreading like a viral disease with no treatment. People, mostly teenagers, attempt to take selfies at the most dangerous places in order to become more popular and to build more followers, but a small mistake can ruin their life, leading to death. Selfie, or rather to say kilfie, has become the most burning issue, occupying the center point between life and socialism. Nowadays, newspapers are full of such foolish people who try to take selfies in worse condition, and needless to say, it is ridiculous that selfies have become more important than anyone's life. Taking selfies provoke to show off and can lead to bad mental state. People exceptionally admire their looks and physical appearance and expects that the same from other, leading to narcissistic tendencies. Many people feel that uploading selfies is the best way to express their fun and enjoyment to others, even if they had not enjoyed much. Enjoyment comes from intrinsic feeling, how you put all your efforts to make the day the loveliest one, and not by clicking and posting the selfies. So, the new trend selfie has become a serious issue about life and death. At a certain make, it may boost self confidence and keeps happy, but beyond that limit, selfie can conflage to the word kilfie. There are also some benefits of taking selfies. Number one, selfies help to capture memorable moments. Most selfies are taken to remember experience, showcase our travels, recording special moments or people. I find myself taking selfies during solo travels. I feel more comfortable in pulling funny faces on my own instead of when someone else is taking photo of me. Group selfies are not as posed compared to stand-alone photos, as they help capture the essence of the present emotion and the feeling of being around people you are comfortable with. Number two, selfies are emotionally engaging and personal. As humans, we have our social needs. We are hardwired to crave human connection. We are the rise of the use of social media. Selfies can be used in a different light, where we can pair our photos with encouraging captions, whether we are supporting a cause, documenting our recovery journey, or being confident enough to our own body. Selfies allow us to freely express whatever we feel. One of the main differences between us in real life versus online is the greater ability to change our look and mask our identity. We have more control over social media. We can untag or delete unflattering photos of us or pick how we want ourselves to be portrayed. With ever developing technology, we have greater access to tools that allow us to shape who we are and highlight specific features in ways we could not do as easily offline. Examples of these are applications such as Photoshop, Lightroom, Facetune, which allows users to edit their photos into their ideal selfies. The Boston University School of Medicine's dermatology department reported that people go to plastic surgeons respecting that fuller lips, bigger eyes, or a thinner nose that they see in photo filters. The Snapchat trend is a clear after effect of a comparisons on social media. Social media has also introduced the fear of missing out, and this keeps young people attached to their phones, admiring others rather than being fully present in their real life. So, thank you guys. Support